Hi, I'm Mehul, and if you work with React or Next.js, you need to hear this because it's pretty serious. So, there's a new security bug that just got discovered by developers, and it scored a perfect 10 out of 10 on the severity scale. मतलब सबसे dangerous बोल सकते हैं इसको. And it's the worst possible rating. ठीक है, तो इसके बारे में जानना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बन जाता है. तो मैं इस वीडियो में थियोरेटिकली समझाऊंगा कि ये रिएक्ट टू शेल है क्या एंड ऑल अबाउट इट. बट तुम्हें प्रैक्टिकली देखना है तो तुम डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक वीडियो है उस पर जाके देख सकते हो. ओके, सो इस वर्नेबिलिटी का नाम है रिएक्ट टू शेल एंड बेसिकली व्हाट इट मीन्स इज hackers can completely take over your server just by sending a request from their own browsers. कोई पासवर्ड का ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, कोई लॉगिन का ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, किसी चीज़ का नहीं. बट वो बस ब्राउज़र यूज़ करके सर्वर पे कंट्रोल पा सकते. ये सीरियस तब बन जाता है लाइक द हैकर्स कैन स्टील ऑल ऑफ योर सीक्रेट कीज. तुम्हारे AWS के जो क्रेडेंशियल्स है उसको चुरा सकता है, डेटाबेस पासवर्ड्स और सब कुछ. वो चाहे तो कोड बेसिस में डिलीट कर सकता है कुछ भी, या कोई भी चीज़ इंस्टॉल कर सकता है, कोई मैलवेयर इंस्टॉल कर सकता है. इस वजह से ये बहुत ही सीरियस इशू है. ओके, सो लेट मी ब्रेक this into simple words. It has to do with how React sends data between your server and the browser. एक सिस्टम होता है जिसका नाम होता है फ्लाइट प्रोटोकॉल and it's a delivery service between the packages and the browser, something like this. Now JavaScript has this thing called duck typing. Basically, if something looks like a duck and quacks like a duck, JavaScript be like, oh yeah, that's a duck, without double checking it. And this is the reason why JavaScript is called loosely typed language. So here's the problem. The server was looking at incoming data, and if that data looked like a promise, which is just code that is waiting to finish doing something, the server would be like, okay, that is legit, let's run it. But hackers figured out how to send fake data that looked exactly like a safe promise, but was actually malicious code. The server got tricked, tried to execute it, and boom, instant backdoor access to the entire system. मैंने जैसा बोला ये बस थियोरेटिकल नहीं है, इसका प्रैक्टिकल भी है. तो मैं वीडियो को अटैच कर दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में, तुम जाके देख सकते हो. So in that video you will be able to see how they literally just pasted some code into the browser console, and within some seconds they were running commands on the server. And think about it, if they can create files, they can delete them too. Like they have the whole control right there with them. So you should not ignore this. The React team have already released a fix for this. Companies like Vercel and Cloudflare are adding extra security layers too. But the only way to be 100% safe is to update your code. You need to upgrade your React and Next.js versions to the latest patch releases right now. So yeah, go and patch your projects today. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, you can just subscribe to me and follow me on Instagram and other social medias.